Well, wait until you start losing stuff in this.
Will, do you like snow?
Up, well, let's get up.
The boots are still a little too big. Get up, buddy. Come on. Get up. Get up. You're like Randy in A Christmas Story, buddy. Your best defense is just to play dead.
That's your bad elbow.
So this is right outside our house. It's pretty nasty.
Whoa.
Haley the dog.
What, honey? What? I know.
Still coming down. I shoveled this whole thing. If the condo association is watching, thanks for nothing. All the way down there to the parking lot. Oh. Well, do you like snow? Woo! I did, it's already... Woman, I was out here for an hour. Shoveled the whole walkway.
Look at John and Melinda.
Yeah, John and Melinda, sorry, I did not shovel you out, because that is...
They're not here.
A whole lot of snow.
We should take pictures of that and put it Sunday school.
They have Facebook. Yeah, that's halfway up your door, guys. Sorry. And this, I shoveled this path the entire way, all the way down. And it's all the way down there toward the parking lot. Yeah, these are some of our neighbors. As you can see, it's a little crazy. Yeah, I did not get to shovel everybody. Sorry. Well.
He just face planted in the snow.
You face planted. Good boy. Go.
Go.